Sit. Sit.
Look at my pocket.
Can Sawfish Festival. I'm vacation ready. Hi Fibs, good morning, good afternoon and good night. You guys, my voice slowly coming back a little bit. Hopefully you guys can hear me. We're starting off today's vlog at the beach. So here we are at the beach with the fam bam. Sarah, your clothes need to fix. So here's, hi, look, hey, look, say hello. See my, with our sexy self. And the kids down there. So we are spending the day at the beach today and see what else we'll get done throughout the rest of today. But the beach is our first stop. Cuckoo Maya, Tyler, Jemai, 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 I love water. Jemai is a little fish. Once Jemai see water, Jemai transform in a different person.
Hello, my love. Only alam there.
Yeah, the water a little bit cold. But it's nice. Sarah's enjoying the beach vibe. Hi. 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 Yay, yay, yay.
Look at my pocket.
Yeah. What you doing? What you doing?
I'm waiting.
For what?
For tonight.
You having fun? Enjoying vacation? Better tell me when you're ready to eat lunch, okay?
Anytime I can eat lunch.
Okay.
Hungry?
You're hungry? We soon eat. The something come.
Hungry?
You say she love the little mermaid and Maya got to me again. She love it, she love it. Oh my god.
But me quick stop at the supermarket when we go back up, so I buy one for her. Can I promise to buy one for her?
See, but you not gonna find it in the supermarket.
Yes, it's still at supermarket.
Supermarket.
Gone casino anywhere. Yum 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 yum. I met toy still, Maya. You want to take it off? Take out your hand. Turn around and take it off for you, Ty. Mr. Independent. Say wagwan. I like you when you say wagwan.
Wagwan na yun, Triteya Kanyan.
Just say hello to Faith from morning. Look.
Wagwan. Please.
Tyler is having the time of his life with Jemaya and Maya. And Jemaya and Maya leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
They're leaving tomorrow and then you will have 2 days to rest before you go on your big vacation.
One
Yeah, 1 day.
You think Tyler not keeping track?
He's so excited. This morning he wake up and he said, Mama, it's almost time for vacation. When he's here on vacation every day, you can imagine.
Not true.
You guys, I washed my hair this morning because God sent moist, so I don't have to braid my hair myself. So God sent moist to help me braid my hair, so my God to help me braid my hair later on vacation. So I washed my hair this morning so my fro is out and
When I'm
dry.
finished. I play with food now.
Hey guys, you hear my voice is slowly coming back. I can talk to you guys, so that's good. You guys, we've been back from the beach for a while to the point where I'm actually slowly hanging around the house and making dinner. I'm making, can you guess what I'm making today? If you watched yesterday vlog, then you'll probably know what I'm making today. But if you didn't, that is okay, I'll still tell you, girl. I'm making ackee and saltfish for dinner today with some festival and some rice and a little veggies, a little bit of everything. So that's what I'm making today. The kids had so much fun today at the beach. Sarah was so knocked. She just woke up at 5 p.m. We got back about 4 o'clock. And Sarah slept. Though she slept on the way home. And when I came home, she woke up and I put her down because I know she would still be tired. And she slept. Now she's up. Tyler is over there doing, what are you doing, Pumpkin?
The test of July.
He's doing a test for Gemma. He's too funny. Gemma and Maya is here and Sarah is. I woke up and is watching TV. Anyway, so hopefully you guys are doing well and had a good day and is enjoying today's vlog. It's the last full day that Moy and her babies will be here with me. So tomorrow half day they'll be gone. Well, it will be time for me to start packing. I have my hair to get done today, so by the end of today's vlog you guys would have seen a new me, so stay tuned for that. You don't want to miss it. Anyway, you guys, let me go and finish cooking, so enjoy the rest of the vlog, shall we? These two playing memory game. You guys know Tyler obsessed with memory game. Look at him.
l'arnaque. Là, je sais presque tout. Là, j'ai vu presque tout. Avec des matchs.
Who's going to win? Who's going to win? No. Allez Maya. No.
On n'a pas encore touché celui-là. Celui-là.
No.
Allez,
No. 3 and 4 and cards at the same 5.
Mouche ta mouche.
They don't have no match tie.
Ta mouche. Yes.
But then 3 didn't
Ta
match.
mouche.
No.
Those three don't match.
Let's go 3 don't match.
3 différents.
Yeah.
Enfin, c'est moi qui ai gagné quand même. Attends, faisais voir dans le tas. Moi j'ai que des bleus, donc j'ai. Attends, tranquille. Attendez-moi ici. Moi j'ai que
You're
des
chilling.
bleus. J'ai gagné les bleus.
You're chilling. What you doing? What you up to? Huh? Hello? No, no. This is for me. She's just doing whatever Sarah does. Jamon is here living his best YouTube life. Tyler, pull up your shorts. You guys, look at Maya and Tyler. They've been out there chatting and laughing to themselves.
Don't be in our contradiction. Or doesn't kill you. Fine.
They come.
Une caméra de sommeil. Allez, tu l'es avec ton pistolet. Allez, pop, 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 pop.
Last dinner with the crew. I'm gonna have no voice. Last dinner with the crew, you guys. Before they leave tomorrow. Look at Maya, she's so cute. Leftovers from yesterday. Again, fish. Festival. What else we have here? Cocoa for the fam bam. We have rice. And we can't forget the veggies.
Can I put it in the microwave?
The sauce. Give Sarah some juice, please. Is there?
Same Jamaican style of Palapashit monkey because you want the same color.
You want everything as Maya. Last dinner before you leave.
Jamaican Palapashit monkey?
Last dinner before you leave.
If?
Oi. Last dinner before you leave.
No, let me start crap.
Ugh.
I mean,
Oh. Go see your ball tomorrow when I time to leave. Watch this one here. Watch you Wanga Belly. No, you have to call Tyler Fala Fashion Monkey. Me call you Wanga Belly. So eat, no eat.
No, me, I'm waiting on people.
Papa, stop talking.
No, you watch your mouth, huh? You don't even play like that.
Sarah, she
Sarah alone eating. Don't Sarah? Yes, enjoy.
You're the youngest.
Honey, let me put the sauce beside you. Whose cup is that? Sarah's? It's hot. Water, please. Where's Sarah plate? But on outside that so. When my daughter plate, me not understand no. But Auntie Moy, me not understand how you leave out my picnic plate. How dare you? How dare Auntie leave out your plate?
or Sarah.
Auntie Wood. Auntie Naughty. Alright, let's eat. Bon appétit tout le monde. Watch them two year chat. Watch them.
Bon appétit.
Alright. You pass my hair. You pass my hair, no? Am I feeling my hair or?
Your hair. That's why you tell me what part your hair
Yes,
is.
pass mine before you give it to me.
You look like you're in Jamaica. You're doing your hair and you have the fan beside.
We are actually. in Jamaica hair salon. You know what's up, babe, man? You know the things then.
What are you talking about?
Because what you just said. So you know Jamaica hair salon go on with.
Yagwan.
Oh it look, ow. Ooh,
You look terrible.
No.
No, sir.
lie.
No, sir. You need to fire her.
Say together, yeah.
Send the girl to your yard.
Oh my god, you guys, boys here doing my hair, my vacation here too. I'm getting glammed.
You in vacation?
I'm about to go on vacation.
Really?
Yeah.
Turn me.
Turn away.
Done this so.
Huh? Am I? Oh, you're telling me to show the face?
Are you gonna put fake hair? Red like this? Like Chinese? Like Japanese?
Like a stripper.
I said Japanese. Japanese are not stripper.
Strippers wear blue hair and white hair and red hair, no?
I don't know. I never been to a strip club.
Lies.
I promise you.
Lies. Your
I
face
promise.
is not saying that. You look guilty. You never been to a strip club?
Never been to a strip
I know
club.
what I'll do for your 40th birthday.
Oh, you're gonna bring me to strip club?
Yes.
Okay.
So you slap ass and put money in their undo.
Okay.
Where in Jamaica?
That can be done. You didn't have that in France,
don't.
babe?
I'm not sure. Probably you have to be somewhere,
Have
but
to be. Come on.
I don't know.
That's everywhere.
I don't know. I would have known.
You would have known?
Yeah. No, I really don't know. I don't know.
Well, now I get something to do. I'm gonna have to go research that. So you can't go to heaven and don't go strip club.
No, but because if you go to strip club, you're not go heaven.
That's not true. You ask for,
You're not go heaven.
you ask for repentance.
You're talking like somebody who went to strip club.
I've been to many strip clubs.
Oh, Lordy, you're acting there or you were looking?
Both.
Oh, I knew that. The way you move.
Lord, PG 30, no, PG 21.
PG more than 21.
No, babe, but you have to go strip club before you die. That's the one.
Basically, I think if you just get me a Coca-Cola, we'll have more fun.
Or I can make my own strip club in here and get a pole and do
No,
all.
sir. No, sir.
Yeah.
No,
And get the
sir.
shoes. Why not? The high
In my
shoes.
house?
So why the my house? So
In my house?
our house. Get it right.
In my house?
Fresh. Well, my house. My. There's no my on this. Right.
Are you sure in the money?
100%. You're fresh. You guys, moist laid my hair. We finally went to bed about 3 a.m. After 3 a.m. my eyes couldn't stay up any longer. Resumed this morning and finished the top piece, and I love it. You can't tell that I didn't go to a professional hairdresser. You guys, encourage Moy down below in the comment section to start doing hair in France. Tell her, please. Please tell her. Y'all. Anyway, you guys, so this is my hair. I just pin it up, but you guys will see it down another day. I'm gonna end the vlog here right now, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the little bits that we had to show you today. My voice is not doing too bad, and yeah, so give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new, catch man, keep up with the fam bam, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm vacation ready. I'm vacation ready. Okay, ready.